Hi everybody, Dane Hatcher here with Service Thread. I want to give a little quick tip on industrial sewing for load bearing purposes that will be using as little tension as possible. The reason I say this is because when you add more and more tension, you could damage the thread, and damaging the thread means you have a weaker seam. Thread has a certain amount of tension or stretch, so I would say tension it could take, but stretch it could take, elongation as we call it, depending on the type of thread it is. So when you're sewing and you have excessive tension on it, you're taking away some of that elongation. You're literally stretching the thread as it's being sewn into your material. Not only are you doing that, but you're also adding wear to the parts of your machine. Adding wear could in turn make a rough part or rough point somewhere along the thread path that can abrade the thread or damage the thread and take away a good bit of its tensile strength. So you think you have a certain seam strength, but if you don't see that the thread is damaged, that product is compromised and it's not as strong as the other products on other machines which are not damaged from excessive tension. When you have an operator sewing, generally, who does not know the intricacies of a machine like this, they may have an issue. They may have just struck something and changed the needle out, and they are trying to get a skip stitch out or think they have an issue. The first thing they do is add tension. That's not how it should be. The first thing to do will be to check your timing of the needle bar. Generally, that will solve most issues of a machine, not tension. Adding tension can actually make them worse because it'll make the loop coming out of the needle smaller and make it harder to get that loop caught and get a good stitch. I hope this helps. Please pass it along if you think it could help anyone else. Thank you for watching.